In the shape of an angel, shining white in the twilight on summer nights, emitting a strong, pleasant fragrance is this elegant orchid. To increase the therapeutic efficacy in our fragrance composition, we have added in therapeutic orchids as a solution. And many even possess medicinal properties. Let's find out more. Pounded and used as an emollient, this orchid can be applied topically to treat swelling such as boils and tumors. A powder from the plant with the addition of vinegar can be used to treat kidney diseases and scalding too. This orchid is an important medicine in Ayurvedic tradition, with the leaves and roots of the plants being used to treat blood diseases. Sweet to taste, the roots of this orchid can also be consumed as food or tonic. You will find other ingredients such as ebony, oak, aspen, and gurjun balsam included in Woody 6 composition to enhance the beauty and complexity of the fragrance. Evocative of the extraordinary ornamental wood, ebony is a rather unique and unfamiliar note in perfumery that is used sparingly to achieve a darker, heavier woody scent. It is often used as a strong base note for a long-lasting effect. Other than using it in perfumery to enhance the woody hues, the modern use of ebony includes crafting the black keys on a piano, cabinet work, etc. Fresh, woody, and spicy, tinged with a hint of sweetness, the scent of gurjun balsam is invigorating and complements other aromas from the woody and spice families. The essential oil, gurjun balsam, is also a trusted remedy in Ayurvedic medicine for relieving respiratory problems. A compelling scent perfect for the evening, for the elegant and sophisticated you. Get ready to turn some heads with this fragrance composition.